Hi, friend. Let's see who's here today. Hi, Chloe. Hi, Kaden. Hi, Silas. Hi, Myla. Hi, Oliver. I'm Audrina, and this is our story time. Today, we're going to read Peppa Pig and the Nature Walk. Who is this? This is Mommy Pig. Who do we have here with a red dress? That's Peppa. And this is the little George. Are you ready? Let's go. What's this? It's a beehive. And these are bees, butterfly, nest, little birdies, and a mommy bird feeding the birdies. Do you see the ladybug here? Do you like walking in the nature? Okay, let's read. Okay, are you ready? Peppa Pig and the Nature Walk. It's a warm, sunny day, and Peppa Pig, George, Mommy Pig, and Daddy Pig are going on a nature walk. But first, they having a picnic lunch. Sweet, juicy strawberries, says Peppa. Yum! What other stuff do they have on their picnic lunch? They have watermelon, cheese, fruits, green apple, banana, grapes, cakes, and there are three ducks looking at their lunch. Peppa has brought along her favorite book. Peppa can't wait to see plants, birds, insects, and more. Nature is everywhere, she says. Buzz, buzz, buzz. What's that? Asked Daddy Pig. It's a wasp. Daddy Pig does not want to be stung. Wasps are helpful, says Peppa. They won't hurt you if you leave them alone. Buzz, says George. Come back, Daddy Pig. I think the wasp just wants a taste of your cake, says Peppa. Look at them. Daddy Pig is so frightened. Look at his face. And Peppa, George, and Mommy are surprised how Daddy is running away from a wasp. Look, says Mommy Pig. The wasp is going back home. The beehive is wasp's home. Some wasps live together in nests they make from chewed up wood. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Peppa points up at a tree. Oh, she says, baby birds in a nest. How many baby birds do you see? One, two, three. And look at their nest. It's made of twigs, made of branches of trees. A bird brings food to its chicks before they learn to fly. Look at the here. This is mommy bird. So she brought food. I think it's a worm, and she's feeding them because they cannot fly themselves and they have to learn it. Something green is moving along the ground. It's a turtle, says Peppa. It's very slow. George practices his turtle walk. Turtles walk slowly, but they can swim very fast. And they have a shell on their back, and this shell protects them when they feel they are in danger. So they put their head and their legs inside the shell and they keep themselves safe. Mommy Pig picks a flower. It smells lovely, she says. Peppa sees some daisies. Oh, so pretty, she says. What's your favorite flower? I love iris. Iris is a purple bluish flower and I love it. It's so beautiful. Peppa makes a daisy chain. George makes a lion mane out of dandelions. Roar, says George. Daisy's petals close at night and open again in the morning. That's an interesting fact. Peppa sees something tiny and red on a leaf. It's a ladybug, she says. I love spotted ladybugs. Ladybugs are red with black dots on them. Ladybugs have two sets of wings, and yes, they can fly. How many ladybugs do you see here? One, two, three. That's right. Which one is the biggest ladybug? Is it this one? No. Yes, this one is the biggest. And which one is the smallest? That's right. This one is the smallest. Butterfly flutters over and lands on a flower. Another one lands on George's nose. Butterflies taste with their feet, with their teeny tiny feet. What color is this butterfly? It's purple, pink, and orange. And this one is white, green, and pink. They're so beautiful, right? Peppa and George play in tall grass. Butterflies are beautiful, says Peppa. Let's be butterflies. How many butterflies do you see on this page? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. George points up at the sky. Clouds, says Peppa, and that one looks like candy. Clouds are made up of tiny drops of water. George looks down at the ground. There is a long line of ants. Where are they going? Asks Peppa. Peppa and George follow the ants. Ants usually march one by one and they march together. They usually go in a long line. Ants are very strong. They can carry something 50 times their weight. The ants march up the hill. Everyone marches up the hill. The ants march down the hill. Everyone marches down the hill. What's on the other side? What do you think is on the other side? Can you guess? Yes, Daddy Pig. You missed our nature walk, says Peppa. But I think you had a nature walk of your own. Look at the dog. Dog is sitting on Daddy's head. And that was the end of our story. I hope you enjoyed listening to this story. If you like this book, you can ask your grown-up to borrow this book from your local library, or they can purchase this book for you from the link that I have provided. Thank you. Bye-bye.